Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you what I've been using to film my overhead tutorials. It is sturdy, affordable, and does not get in the way. So without further ado, let's jump right into the showing. So this is where I currently film all my videos. I have a desk, I have a shelf right above, and I also have the camera mount mounted right underneath that shelf. So it gives you 4 screws to screw it in. You could screw it into a shelf or a wall. I decided to put it underneath my shelf. That way it's easier for me to put my hands on the desk and I could have the camera or phone facing downwards to get a good angle. So this has different areas where you could loosen up or tighten just to be able to maneuver it different ways. With my camera, I just attach the bottom portion to this. I face it downwards, and that's how I record. If you're going to use a cell phone, you'll need a second attachment. With the second attachment, you'll screw it on. After screwing it on, you'll place your phone on the bracket, making sure you're not covering the camera. Face it downwards because it's a better camera on the rear side of your phone. And then you will tighten the bracket, and now you're able to record using your phone. So a problem that you may run into when recording overhead tutorials, I know I did, is that you need to see what you're recording. With phones, using the rear camera, I would suggest that you record maybe a minute and then check that recording just to make sure that everything is in focus. When you're using a DSLR like I was using before, like the Canon T5i, Canon sends you a CD, you could install it onto your computer. Using a cord attachment, you're able to see onto your laptop while you're recording. So I find the best option to be a camera that has Wi-Fi capability built in. With that capability, you're able to see what you're recording right onto your smartphone, or with the camera that I'm using right now, when I set it up on that mount, the way that the screen flips out, I'm able to just look right up and see what I'm working on. So if you're in the market for a new camera, I will list the one that I'm using down below in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and then don't forget to subscribe. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, bye.